Hey guys, I'm here with an unboxing of the E.L.F. Vox Box. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is so cool. First of all, I have the Hydrating Bubble Mask. Let's see. It says no parabens, no sulfates, and no phtalates. I don't think I got that one right. Let's see. Okay. Wow, very fancy packaging, especially for E.L.F. So here's what this looks like. Let's see. Oh, so you press down on the sides of the top, and then should be bubbles. Okay, what else do I have? I have the Mineral Infused Face Primer. I think I used this a couple years ago, but I just stopped using it. I don't remember why, but maybe they've got a new formula, maybe it was better than I remember. I'm not sure, but I'm excited. It's a very, silicone-like gel. It reminds me a lot of Smashbox and Babyface and stuff like that. Let's see, I also have the E.L.F. Baked Highlighter and Bronzer. Let's see how these are. I'm excited to try all these out. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is so cool. Okay. Let's get a closer look. And then, they don't feel super pigmented. Wow, okay, the highlight I can see, but how am I supposed to? I have bad lighting. I am so sorry. This is supposed to be the bronzer, and then this one's the highlighter. It's hard to see, because I am bad at this, and I haven't done swatches on my channel before. So, bronzer, I know my lighting is horrible, but that's what we're gonna get right now. Then I also have the matte lip color in Wine. Let's see how this color is. Ooh, oh goodness gracious. There we go. Ooh, how do I, ooh, okay, that's a nice dark color. There's that. I'm not sure how I feel about this. We'll see how well it stays on. And if it's, I was thinking it would be a little more pigmented than it is, but that's okay. We'll find out. And then I have the Lip Exfoliator in Mint Maniac. It says it's new. My roommate is over there making faces. She's very beautiful. It's like a lipstick. Oh, it's very green. It does smell like mint. Okay, well, kind of excited to try that. We'll find out. And then this just goes through what is in my Vox box. And apparently my lip is a matte lip. It's important to keep note of that. Okay guys, so that's my unboxing. I will let you guys know what I think of everything when I've tried everything out. Okay, bye.